Struggling with dry and flaky skin these colder months? Today I'll walk you through my winter skincare essentials that are budget friendly and super effective. As you can see, I do have some makeup on my skin. So to begin with, I'm going to use this LAKME Micellar Pure Biphasic Makeup Remover. It is called biphasic because it has these two layers of oil and water. It retails for Rs 280 for 100 ml of product. You have to shake the bottle first and then dispense the product. I'm using the Earth Rhythm cleansing pads to gently wipe off the makeup. These are reusable cleansing pads made from bamboo cotton material. The brand claims that they can last up to 200 washes. Together with the makeup remover, this cleansing pad is effective in removing stubborn makeup. I am de-accessorizing myself so that the products used in a skincare routine don't stick on them. The cleansing pads come in two colors, pink and white. I am using the pink cleansing pad this time. Just shaking the Micellar Biphasic Makeup Remover as mentioned before. Now I am gently moving and rubbing the cleansing pad on my face to remove the makeup. You can see how the makeup has come off on the cleansing pad. Now that almost all the makeup has been removed, I will use this simple Micellar Gel Face Wash to remove any impurities or makeup residue from my skin. The face wash retails for Rs 399 for 150 ml of product and claims to boost water retention and protect the skin barrier, which it surely does, in my opinion. It is PETA approved, vegan and 100% soap free. It has the hydrating properties of panthenol and glycerine that ensure deep moisture lock and better water retention. Also, the infusion of pentavitine binds water with your skin and locks it in for a long time. After washing my face with this face wash, my skin feels clean but not dry. I am wiping my face with a soft microfiber towel by gently tapping it on my face. Next up, I am going to use this Moody 7D Hydroburst Moisture Magnet Essence Face Mist as a toner. It retails for Rs 375 for 110 ml of product. It is paraben free, cruelty free and vegan. It has niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, coconut water and aloe vera. This is a good sized product at a reasonable price that helps to balance the pH level of your skin. Make sure to spray it from a good distance as the mist is not too fine. Now I'll just dab the product on the skin and wait for a minute or two to let the toner get completely absorbed in the skin. Next up, I'm going to use this Caffeine Green Tea Under Eye Cream with 1.5% vitamin C, 3% caffeine and 5 types of peptides. It retails for Rs 375 for 15 ml of product and claims to reduce fine lines and dark circles. It is cruelty free, silicone free and paraben free. You have to shake the product well before use. Press the stick to dispense the cream. Apply and massage with the built-in roller. I think this is a good under eye product at a reasonable price point. Now I'm going to use the NYKAA Naturals Barrier Repair Serum Jelly Cica plus nature derived ceramides plus vitamin C serum. It retails for Rs 539 for 30 ml of product and claims to repair damaged skin barrier. I'll pump out adequate serum jelly and spread evenly on my skin by gently massaging and dabbing it on my face skin. This jelly to water formula is lightweight and fast absorbing. Now that the serum is all absorbed in the skin, I am going to use the Pond's Cold Cream as my nighttime winter moisturizer. This is a holy grail product for me to relieve my parched skin in drying winters and an all-time favorite of my mom too. This cream, in my opinion, is one of the best for very dry, non-sensitive skin type people. I'm going to put generous dots of this cream on my face and then gently massage the product on my skin. It is packed with glycerine as its superstar ingredient and other goody ingredients like lecithin, which is a common emollient along with glyceryl stearate. It may take few minutes time for the cream to get completely absorbed on my face. It does look a bit oily, but it is my go-to product when my face skin goes through the very dry and dehydrated phase in winters. So for my neck area, I'm going to use the Dot & Key Strawberry Do-It-All Moisturizer packed with niacinamide and peptides. I really like this moisturizer. It is fast absorbing and non-comedogenic. Retails for Rs 3.99 for 80 grams of product. So this is how the inner packaging is, in the form of a squeezy tube with an interesting cap. I squeeze out adequate quantity of this product and then apply it on my neck. I gently massage the moisturizer on my neck area in bottom to top motions. This aids blood circulation in the neck area. Guys, I think it's not a good idea to ignore your neck area while doing your skincare routine. Now the last step in this skincare essentials routine is to apply a really moisturizing lip balm. So I am using the Swiss Beauty Kiss Candy Lip Balm in the variant Pomegranate. It retails for Rs 119 for 10 ml of product. It is just mildly tinted. This lip balm is so moisturizing that it almost feels like a lip mask that can nourish your lips overnight. I have already spoken about this lip balm in detail in my best lip balms and glosses video. If you haven't watched that video, I'll link it above in this video so you guys can go ahead and watch it. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe for more. Also, don't forget to share your comments down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.